clear Amsterdam, avoid 06 departure, there is some transit, and there are some flight plan routes, runway 24 right, for 6325, the runway 233.
Shadow 233 Heavy, rebound direct, contact apron on 12227 for push and sub.
12227, the runway 233.
Clearance below WestJet 529, we have information due to Airways Winnipeg.
WestJet 529 for the Winnipeg, step 3 departure, lift mode transition. Flight plan route, departure runway 23, squawk code 6316.
Now step 3, lift mode transition, runway 236316, WestJet 529, we're engaged in step.
WestJet 529, rebound direct, good day.
Bye-bye.
Clear below, approach to level. WestJet 1102, clear to Los Angeles, Ursula 3 departure, Zohan transition, flight plan route, departure runway 23, squawk code 6347.
I'm sorry, please step up by another frequency there, after flight plan route, please.
WestJet 1102, after flight plan route, runway 23, and squawk code 6347.
Okay, sorry about that, clear Los Angeles, Ursula 3, Zohan transition, flight plan route, 36347, what's the number?
WestJet 1102, rebound direct, data Alpha, good night.
Good night, sir.
Toronto, here, Blue Street 533, clear to Charlotte. That's 2 departure, Foxy transition, flight plan route. Departure runway 24 right, squawk 0555.
Blue Street 533, clear to Foxy transition, one plan route, departure runway 24 right, 0555.
Blue Street 5533, rebound correct, good day.
Delivery, good evening, KLM 86, it's Charles 35 with Zulu, requesting clear Amsterdam.
KLM 86 Heavy, clear to Amsterdam, Bird 06 departure, MTOS transition, flight plan route, departure runway 24 right, squawk 6137.
KLM 86 is clear to Amsterdam as filed, out of Bird 06 departure, Airbus transition, then as filed. Expect 24 right for departure 6137 on the box, KLM 86.
KLM 86, rebound correct, data Alpha, contact apron 12227 for push and start.
2227 for push and start for KLM 86.
Halifax.
WestJet 252, Halifax, Destin 4 departure, Rockham transition, flight plan route, departure runway 24 right, squawk code 6121.
Halifax, Destin 4 practice, runway 24 right, squawk.
WestJet 252, rebound correct, data Alpha.
Clarence, good evening, Air Canada 2698142, information Zulu, identifier 59 Hotel.
269, no clearance. PDC is correct. Data to information Alpha. Good night. Good Alpha, Air Canada 269.
Delivery Air Transat 475, identifier 593 with
Transat 475, please be back as correct. Be advised there is full control into Montreal. Ground will get a wheels of time as you taxi out. Contact apron 12227 for the push.
Alright, we'll check 2227 for the push status.
Clearance American 442593 Lima.
American 442 clearance, be back correct. It is Zulu. Contact apron 12227.
We have Zulu and contact ramp 122.27.
Clearance, good evening, Airways 233 Heavy.
Airways 233 clearance, good evening. I have your Airways here. Standby 1. I need to check something on the route.
Airways 233, alright, thanks.
Airways 233 heavy clearance, ready to copy.
Go ahead, Airways 233 Heavy.
Airways 233 heavy cleared to Amsterdam. Verdo 6 departure. L-sub transition. Flight plan route. Departure runway 24 right and squawk 6325.
Clear Amsterdam, Verdo 6 departure, L-sub transition, and stay on the flight plan route. Runway 24 right, squawk 6325, Airways 233.
Airways 233 heavy, reback correct. Contact apron on 12227 for push and stop.
12227, Airways 233 Heavy.
Start 7407 with Zulu 23.
Surgeon 7407, clear to Cleveland. Oakville 2 departure. Erie transition. Flight plan route. Departure runway 24 right, squawk 6317.
Echo 7407 here to Cleveland. Oakland 2 Erie transition. 24 right. 6317. We are typical now.
Surgeon 7407, reback correct. Data south, have a good day.
Identifier Endeavor 3751, we have information Dixie, and EC of 812 Bravo.
Endeavor 3751, clearance PDC correct. Departure frequency 120.42,
20.42 for departure, correct?
That is correct. Endeavor 3751.
Thank you very much. Got it that time. You have a great day. Endeavor 3751.
Same to you.
Clearance AC 5435, identifier 812 Echo.
AC 5435, clearance PDC correct. Departure frequency 120.42, it is Delta.
12042 and Delta AC 5435.
Clearance Envoy 3952, identifier 812 Golf, it is Delta.
Boy 3952, Montreal clearance, PDC correct, departure frequency 120.42, it ain't?
2042, 3952, good day.
Delivery, good Air Canada 413.
Canada 413, return to
Good afternoon, sir. We're at gate 48. We have 813 Delta, or 812 Delta.
Canada 413, PDC correct, but 12124, decimal 65, it is so.
Roger, 12465. We checked that Air Canada 413.
West, good day, WestJet 438 for Toronto.
WestJet 438, imminent clearance, hello, clear to Toronto Airport by the Hampo 1 departure, flight plan route, depart runway 20, squawk is 1766.
Alright, we'll go to Toronto, Hampo 1, flight plan off 20, squawking 1766 for WestJet 438.
WestJet 438, readback is correct.
WestJet 177 with X-ray for Vancouver.
Clearance, hello, clear to Vancouver Airport on the Hampo 1 departure, flight plan route, depart 20, squawk is 1722.
WestJet 177 clear Vancouver, Hampo 1 flight plan off 20, 1722, gate 58.
WestJet 177, readback, all correct.
Clearance WestJet 141, we have Romeo for Vancouver.
WestJet 141, clearance for to Vancouver, Hampo 1 departure, flight plan route, runway 20, squawk 1337.
Hampo 1 on the flight plan off 20, 1337, WestJet 141 is gate number 8.
Clearance, good evening, Air Canada 172, gate 52. We have Quebec identifier is 262 Romeo.
Air Canada 172, on the clearance, PDC is correct, and it is Romeo now.
Okay, check Romeo and positive DI, sure.
Air Canada 172, roger.
Clearance WestJet 4010, information Romeo, Firebag.
WestJet 4010, clear to Firebag, Hampo 1 departure, flight plan route, runway 20, squawk 7335.
Hampo 1, 207335, WestJet 4010.
WestJet 4010, readback, correct altimeter is 3050.
Delivery, good afternoon, good evening, Speedbird. What's that one? 5 Charlie Alpha, Charlie 33, 777-200, X-ray clearance for London Heathrow, please.
Speedbird 5 Charlie Alpha, good day, you cleared at Heathrow, Verdo 6, Larkin transition, flight plan route. Runway 24 right, transponder 2232.
London Heathrow, Verdo 6, Lorca transition, and 24 right, expect 2232 squawks, Speedbird 5 Charlie Alpha.
All correct, Speedbird 5 Charlie Alpha, 8 is Yankee, call 8, good day.
Okay, check Yankee, bye.
WestJet 529, we're Charlie 27, information Yankee, airways to Winnipeg, negative the ice.
WestJet 529, cleared Winnipeg, gap sub 3, route and transition, flight plan route 230523.
Winnipeg, gap set 3, Rotma, flight plan on 230523 for WestJet 529.
All correct, call 8 from good night.
Thanks, good night.
Good evening, Gilal 030 Heavy at Charlie 30, information Yankee, identifier 115 Romeo, ready for clearance. Okay, you have your PDC, that's all correct. When you're ready to push back, call in for 12227. When ready, 12227, Gilal 030. Airlines 552, you trying to call clearance delivery?
Affirm. Could you confirm the squawk, please? It's not clear on the message read.
Let me just pull up your flight plan. It's showing 2250.
2250, thank you.
France, good evening, WestJet 1102 at Bravo 19 with Zulu clearance to ILAX, please.
WestJet 1102, good day, cleared Los Angeles, Ursel 3, Zohan transition, flight plan route. Runway 23, squawk 0536.
Ursel 3, Zohan transition of 230536 is the squawk, WestJet 1102.
All correct, WestJet 1102, 8 is Zulu, call 8 from good day.
Good day, will do.
Good evening, it's Air Canada 856 Heavy at San 174. Information Zulu, PDC is 117 Delta. We are planning, or requesting runway 23 for operational reasons, requesting full length, and we're planning a noise 1.
Well, there's a lot of extras in there. The only thing missing is the icing.
Well, we were still waiting on that. We see some flakes starting now, but I think we should still be able to.
Jet 856, 23, Verto 6, balance unchanged, check noise 1.
23, Verto 6, bounce unchanged, Air Canada 856, thank you.
Call 8 from good day.
Delivery of France 351, good evening. Understand Charlie 35 with information Yankee. Request clearance to Paris Charles de Gaulle, please.
Air France 351, you cleared Charles de Gaulle, Verto 6 departure, Lorca transition, Quebec 907, Mills, flight plan route. Runway 248, transponder 6133.
Okay, so we are cleared to Paris Charles de Gaulle via Verdo 6 departure, Lorca, Quebec 907, Mills, flight plan route, runway 24 right, and stroke 6139, France 351.
6133 is the transponder.
Sorry, so 6133, France 351.
Okay, call apron for the push. Good day.
Apron for the push, France 351. Good night, sir. Bye.
And clearance from Maple 7536 with you. We got PDC 117 Echo, and we're just grabbing Alpha.
Okay, thank you, Maple 7536. Call apron for the push. Good day.
Have a good one.
Clarence, good evening. Maple 7654, gate 160, PDC 116 Yankee for Newark.
There's a 7654, it's all correct, data says Alpha. They just lifted the ground stop to Newark. It's now a Grand Lake program. Did the company give you a time?
Departure of 0010.
Okay, I'll mark that down. Call apron, good day.
Apron to push, good day.
Toronto delivery, Jervis 233, good evening, stand Charlie 36, destination Amsterdam, requesting level 330, request clearance with the information Alpha 2972.
Good Airways 233, cleared Amsterdam, Verdo 6 departure, Lorca transition, Quebec 907, Mills intersection, flight plan ready. Runway 24 right, transponder 6177. There you go.
Clear to Amsterdam, Border 6 departure, local transition, Quebec 907, Mills transition and departure runway 24 right, transponder 6172, Airways 233 heavy.
Good Airways 233, it's Quebec 907 to the Mills intersection, it's not a transition.
Quebec 907, Mills intersection, runway 24617, 2 on the spot, Airways 233 heavy.
Roger, and just check your transponder, 6177.
6177, Airways 233.
Thank you, Jet Airways 233, contact apron for pushback.
Copy, Jet Airways 233, have a bye-bye.
Texas Tower, Golf India Hotel Juliet Medevac with information Alpha. Golf India Hotel Juliet Medevac Tower, squawk at altimeter 3008, and where are you headed? Texas 3008, requesting direct Point Grey for the Point Grey arrival pad Charlie. India Hotel Juliet, Roger, cleared as requested, and at Point Grey, contact tower 1955. Point Grey 1955 for India Hotel Juliet, my back, thank you. And your Alpha powered? Affirmative, off Powell River with patient on board for Pat Charlie. Delivery Agent W with F5 Lima Mike, stand 48, information Kilo request clearance Eindhoven.
With Air 5 Lima Mike, delivery Agent W cleared Eindhoven, level 7, Golf departure, squawk 6507.
Clear to Eindhoven.
Delivery, good day, Austrian 626 Whiskey.